Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, in last lecture we started exercise 7.7 from your book from chapter number 7, name is straight lines. We did first 3 questions of this exercise and today we are going to do some more questions after question number 3. So I suggest those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder named AdMath where you can watch all previous lecture, and after watching those lecture you will get good command on this topic and previous topic as well. So let's start question number 4, exercise 7.7. What is question number 4? You can see on the screen the mass m grams of a radioactive substance is given by the formula m is equals to m naught e power minus kt, where t is the time in days after the mass was first recorded and m naught and k are constants. The table below shows experimental values of t and m. Values are given t 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and values of m are given 40.9, 33.5, 27.4, 22.5, 18.4. First part, draw the graph of ln m against t. Very easy. First we have to plot the table. We have to draw a table of x values and y values. According to question, on x axis we have to plot t. You can see t against t means on x axis. So one value is t. What are the values of t are given? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And on y axis we have to plot ln m. ln m. How to get these values ln m? We have to take the help from this table. So values of m are given, so we just find the ln of the values of m with the help of calculator. So first we have to find ln 40.9. 3.71. 3.71. Just rounding of the values. Second, ln of 33.5. 3.51. Third, ln of 27.4. 3.31. Then ln 22.5. 3.11. Then ln 18.4. 2.91. So all values of L and M are very close to each other. Next, we have to plot the graph. Part A. Draw the graph of L and M against T. So first we have to draw our x and y axis. This is our y axis, and this is our x axis. So on x axis we have to plot the values of t. On y axis we have to plot the values of L and M, and this point is origin. So on x axis we have to plot 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if I take 4 square is 10, 3 square is 10, 1, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 2, 3, 40, 1, 2, 3, 50. This is our x values. Now plot y values. The maximum value of y is 3.71 and the minimum value of y is 2.91. So I am taking 2 square is 1. 1, 2, 3. So first value is when x is 10, then y is 10.71. So this is 10, this is 3, this is 3.5 and this is 4. So first point should be this one. When x is 20, then y is 3.51. So 23 point, this is 3, this is 3.5 and just above 3.5. When x is 30, then y is 3.31. 30, 3.5, just below 3.31. When x is 40, 3.11. So almost at 3. When x is 50, 2.9. So this is 2, this is 2.5. Obviously this is 2.91. Plot all the points with the help of a scale to get the straight line. So this is our straight line. Join all the points. This is. So this is the answer of part A. Come to part B. Use your graph to estimate the value of m naught and k. Use your graph. How to find the value of m naught and k? Take first the given equation. M is equals to m naught e power minus kt. So if we take LCM, ln, sorry, If we take ln on both sides, so it represents ln m is equals to ln m naught e power minus kt, then ln multiply should be converted into addition, ln e power minus kt. So ln m naught plus ln e cancel, so it should be minus kt, or we can write ln m is equals to minus kt plus ln m naught. So if you compare this equation by the equation of a straight line y is equals to mx plus c, you can see that ln m naught represents c. What is c actually? The y intercepts. So if we extend our line and touch the line on y axis, we will get the value of ln m naught. How? See this. Just join by dotted line and read this value carefully. If this is 3, this is almost 4. So C is 4 from the graph. This implies that C represent ln m naught is equals to 4 and m naught is equals to so see this dotted line just below 4. So if I take 3.91, C is not 4, C is 3.9192. So I am writing 3.92. This implies that C represent ln m naught, which is equals to 3.92. Now convert this logarithm into index form. The base of ln you know is always e. So if we drop this ln, we should apply e on right hand side. So 3.92 becomes e power 3.92. With the help of calculator, find the value of e power 3.92. You will get 50.4. So this is our answer of m naught. Almost correct. Answer in your book is 50 and my answer is 50.4. And graphs give you always the estimated answer, not 100% exact. The second was one we have to find the value of k. What k is represent? K is represent just k represent the gradient. So I am taking any 2 points from my table of part A First is 50 point, sorry, 50 and comma 2.91. This is x1 y1. And second is 10 or 3.71. So our value of m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2.91 minus 3.71 minus 0.8 and 50 minus 10 is 40 minus 0.8 upon 40. Answer is minus 0.02. Minus 0.02. And this m represent k, because if you compare this equation, ln m is equals to minus kt plus ln m naught. So by comparison, you have to see that m represent k. So m is minus k. M is minus k. So minus m is minus k. And m is minus 0.02 is equals to minus k. Minus cancel by minus. So k is 0.02. Final answer of part B is m naught is equals to 50.4 and k is equals to 0.02, and this is our final answer of part B. What is part C? Estimate the value of m when t is equals to 27. Now, with the help of scale, draw a dotted line this is 20, 30. So 20, 23, 26, and we have to find the value of t is equals to 27. So this point, this is 23, this is 26. So just after this one, this should be 27. So draw a dotted line from here which should touch your straight line, this one, and now join this dotted line to y-axis. Join this line by y-axis. Now read this value carefully. This is 3. So this point, and this is 3.5. This one 3.5. So this value should be 3.3. So from graph at t is equals to 27, the value of ln m is equals to 3.3. But we need to find the value of m, not ln m. This implies that if you drop again ln, you should put e on other side. So 3.3 becomes the power of e 3.3. So e power 3.3 is 27.1. Therefore, the value of m is equals to 27.1. This is our final answer. So question was very easy but little bit lengthy. Conceptual question. This is question number 4. We have done all parts. So hope you completely understand question number 3. Sorry, question number 4. Part A is drawing of graph. Part B to find the value of m naught and k from the graph, and part C estimate the value of m when t is equals to 27. Now come to question number 5. This is question number 5. X 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, Y 15, 75, 378, 1893. The table shows experimental values of the variables x and y. The variables are known to be related by the equation y is equals to k, y is equals to k, x to the power n, y is equals to k, x to the power n, where small n, where k and n are constants. Draw the graph of log y against log x. Very easy. First, draw a table of log x. So find the values of log x with the help of the table. So log 10 is 1. Log 100 is 2. Log 1000 is 3. Log 10,000 is 4. So this is values of log x. Now we have to find the values of log y. Find the log 15. 1.18, or you can write 1.2. Correct to one decimal place. Log 75. 1.87 becomes 1.9. Log 378. 2.57 means 2.6. log 1893, 3.27 means 3.3. Now draw the x and y axis. This is your horizontal axis, and this is your vertical axis. On x axis we have to plot log x. On y axis we have to plot log y. So what are the values of log x? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am taking 4 square is 1 in order to get big graph, large graph. 1 in large graph, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on y axis the maximum value is 2.6. So I am taking 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 is 4. So when x is 1, y is 1.2. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1.5. So this point is 1.2. When x is 2, y is 1.9. So it should be just like below 2. When x is 3, y is 2.6. So this is 2, this is 2.5, this should be 2.6. When x is 4, y is 3.3. So this is 3, this is 3.5, this should be 3.3. Join all the points with the help of scale. Here we go. This is our graph. We have joined all the points. Now, what is part B? Use your graph to estimate the value of k and n. Very easy. Take the given equation, y is equals to k x power n. Taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log k x power n. It will be log k plus log x power n, or log k power can be right before the log, or you can write n log x plus log k is equals to log y. Now compare this by the general equation, y is equals to m x plus c. So we have to find the value of k and m. C is represent y intercept. So first we have to find the value of y intercept. Draw a dotted line in order to find y-intercept and read this value carefully. So if you read this value, this is just below 0.5 because this one is 0.5. And student, you can do this work better than me because you will have graph book. I am using just our virtual graph paper. So this value is almost, which is represent y-intercept. I am taking 0.47, and this C represent LGK. LGK is equals to 0.47, and this is LG. LG means base 10. So if you drop this LG, you should put 10 to the power 0.47 on other side. Find the value of 10.47. You will get 2.95, and in your book the answer is 3. So you can see that estimate. In part B you will see the word estimate. Estimate means not exact. So 2.95 is closest to 3, so your answer is acceptable. Okay, now find the value of n. N represent what? The gradient. So I am taking 2 points, 1 and 1.2, comma 4 and 3.3. So y2 m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 3.3 minus 1.2, answer is 2.1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2.1 upon 3 is 0.7. So m represent 0.7, but we compare these two equations. So m is n, which is 0.7. Hence our final answer is k is equals to 2.95 and n is equals to 0.7. This is our final answer. So hope you completely understand question number 5. Okay, now come to question number 6. So this is your question number 6. X, Y. X values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Y values are 12.8, 32.8, 83.9, 214.7, 549.8. The table shows experimental values of the variables x and y. The variables are known to be related by the equation y is equals to ab to the power x, where a and b are constants. Draw the graph of log y against x. So part A, first we have to make the table. Values of x remain same, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and log y. Find the logarithm of all y values. So log 12.8 is 1.1. Log 32.8, 1.5. Log 83.9, 1.9. Log 214.7, 2.3. Log 549.8, 2.7. The next is to plot these points. So first we have to draw our x and y axis. Now draw y axis. Y axis is this is x. On x axis we have to plot the values of x, and on y axis we have to plot the values of y. The maximum value of x is 10. So I am taking 1 square is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The maximum value of y is 2.7. So I am taking 2 square is 1. 1, 2, and 3. So when x2 y is 1.1. So 2, 1, 1.1. This is just line. 4, 1.5. This is second point. 6, 1.9. Just below 2, 8, 2.3. 2, 2.5. This should be 2.3. And 10, 2.7. Just below this. 8, 2.3 over here, and 10, 2.7 should be over here. Now join all the points with the help of scale. join points. It is not necessary that all the points are lie on a line. If 1 point or 2 points miss from the straight line, then this will not count be wrong. Okay, so this is the answer of part A. Come to part B. Use your graph to estimate the value of A and the value of B. Take the equation y is equals to A into B power x. Taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log A into B power x. Log A plus log B power x. Log A plus x log B. And finally write in this way log y is equals to log bx plus log a. And if you compare this equation by the equation of a straight line, y is equals to mx plus c. So first you have to find the y-intercept. How? Extend the line which you have just drawn by dotted line and read this value carefully. If you read this value from the graph, this is almost 0.7. So C is 0.7. But if you get 0.8 or if you write 0.88, so you will get full marks. This C represent from comparison is log A, which is equals to 0.7. Now this log is almost this log LG means log base 10. So if you drop this log, you will put 10 to the power 0.7 on other side. 10 to the power 0.7 is 5.01. So A is 5.01. Next, we need to find the value of B. So if you compare from the given equation, you will see log B is the gradient. So for gradient, you have to take 2 points from your table of part A, which is 2 or 1.1. You can take any 2 point and 10 2.7. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2.7 minus 1.1. 1.6. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 1.6 upon 8 is 0.2. And according to the equation, this one I am talking about, this equation, m represent log b, which is equals to 0.2. But you need to find the value of b, and this log has base 10. So B should be 10 raised to power 0.2. With the help of calculator, find the value, you will get 1.58. Hence, our final answer is A is equals to 5.01 and B is equals to 1.58. This is our final answer. So, hope you completely understand question number 6. I want to show the summary of this question. This is the summary, part A and B. And this is our today's class where we did next 3 question number 4, 5, 6. What left in this exercise? 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I will try to finish this exercise in next class, but I will try. Okay, so student, kindly do practice more and more and more, and if you feel any difficulty in today's class or previous lectures, kindly don't hesitate, ask me, I will help you. If you are satisfied my videos, my lectures, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.